How to set up MySQL Workbench. In this video, I'll show you how to download MySQL Workbench, which is a tool that we're going to be using for setting up our database. First of all, go to the website in the address bar that I've shown here, mysql.com/products/workbench. This is the page that you'll see. Click on the Download Now link in the middle of the page. This will take you to the Download MySQL Workbench page. It has a description of what's actually included and what you can use it for. Also, this point here, MySQL Workbench Prerequisites, you can click on the plus sign to see what you need for this application. Now, I'm not sure if I have either of these two, so I'm going to install MySQL Workbench first, and if there's a problem with that, I'll come back and install these two. So to actually download the right file, scroll to the bottom of the page where you have your generally available or GA releases. First of all, select the platform that you want to use. So depending on your operating system, you would select Windows, Ubuntu Linux, Red Hat Linux or Oracle Linux, Fedora, which is another brand of Linux, Mac OS X or source code. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to choose the Windows selection. Now I can either download the MSI installer, which is a self-installing file, or the zip archive. They're both available in 32-bit versions. So I've chosen this one, so I can click download. Before you can download the file, you'll need to sign up for a free Oracle web account or log in using your existing account. The account is free and it gives you all these benefits here. So you can either log in with your existing account or sign up with a new account. There's also a link down the bottom that says no thanks, just start my download. I've already got an Oracle account, but for the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to click on no thanks, start my download. Now for this example, I'm just going to save my installer to the desktop. As you can see on the bottom left of the screen, the file has been downloaded. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install MySQL Workbench. So in the previous video, I downloaded the installer file to my desktop, which you can see here. You can open this file by double-clicking on it or pressing enter. If this warning pops up, just click Run. Now the introduction page appears. Click on Next. It'll ask you the destination folder. For our purposes, we can leave it to the default folder, and then click on Next. We can either choose the complete or the custom setup. For this example, I'm just going to use the complete setup, so click Next. Now it gives you a confirmation page for the setup type and the destination folder. Click Install. This status bar will get updated as the program gets installed. And now it's finished installing. All up, my install took about 15 seconds. If you want to launch MySQL Workbench now, you can leave this box checked. Otherwise, uncheck it. I don't need to run it now, so I've unchecked it. Now I click Finish. So what's next? We're going to go over the database basics. We're going to look at what is a database, and we're going to go over different kinds of databases.